everybody. Ryan Leusch from S2A Modular again with the Modular Minute. Today we're going to talk about certifications, LEED certifications, well certifications, things like Passive House, and the fact that we're a part of the U.S. Green Building Council. So I'm going to talk to you a little bit about that. We meet and exceed LEED certification just organically the way we build. That's not something we need to strive to do or try to do. Just the manner of our green building does that. So if anybody's wondering, can we get that LEED certification from an S2A home? Absolutely, we can. We can do that for you. Another thing, we're on the advisory board for the WELL certification. So when you're talking about health and wellness and all of those, can we achieve that WELL certification? Can we build a healthier home? Absolutely, we meet that. And anybody that's wondering about Passive House building, things that maybe are a little more popular in Europe, but you are seeing them in the States, we can make those things happen. And being a member of the U.S. Green Building Council, we learn a lot there. So we can get any kind of certifications that come with that. And all of those certifications can be easily done at S2A Modular. So thank you for joining us for the Modular Minute.
Hi, Kat here, Director of Investor Relations at S2A Modular. Thanks so much for watching the Modular Minute. I wanted to invite you to our upcoming live webinar exclusively for investors. We get into the details of how we are building modular renewable energy, smart homes, and how you can become involved as an investor. Click the link below to register. See you there.